Hello, this is Aaron from Sibling Rivalry, and it is the day of the Mayan apocalypse of 2012, aka December 21st. So we're going to do day 21 of our LEGO Advent Calendar, and stay tuned for that. Alright, so like I said, it's day 21 of the LEGO Advent Calendar, so we're going to get that underway in just a second here. I'm going to try and open this, and it seems like the top panels might be less likely to tear and destroy, but I just said that, and of course the cardboard starts to tear at the bottom. I'm trying to like keep this intact. I know there's literally, I could just be ripping this thing apart, and it really wouldn't matter. So, it looks like it's a candy cane clock. Oh, it's the North Pole? Maybe? I don't know. It can go in the park. So let's start this. Get out of the box, or the bag, or whatever you are. Get out of here. Okay, so how are your guys' holidays going? Let us know down below. So far, we're doing pretty good. Lots of nog, some pfeffernusse, which if you're not familiar with pfeffernusse, it's, I might be pronouncing it wrong depending on your dialect. Its literal translation is pepper nuts, but it's like a gingerbread cookie. So, yeah, I really like it. I learned about it in grade school. We did a thing on the Amish, and apparently it's a big Christmas tradition for the Amish and like traditional German cultures, Dutch and German. So yeah, white, red, white. Am I the kaiju that destroyed everything? Oh no. Oh no. Well, the lamppost didn't fall over. That's the impressive part. Okay. Now back to this. It's driving me nuts. Trying to keep everything even. Yeah, let's put this up here. Okay. There we go. I just modified it a little bit, added the extra little one peg there so that it would kind of look more like a candy cane in my mind, where usually the candy cane kind of hooks around. Oh, my hand's probably in the way. You can tell it's not scripted. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, that's what I built. Yeah, I don't think I want to eat this. It's ABS, so my body's not going to digest it. If it was PLA, technically it biodegrades. Heard horror stories of people eating Lego when they were kids, having to go to emergency. But it's the holiday season, so let's avoid the emergency room as much as we can. I hope you guys all have a safe and happy holiday. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Let us know how we did in the comments down below. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, we would appreciate your subscription. And to keep informed, you should ring that bell, yo. And stay up to date with all of our new content. We post, well, we'll be posting the remainder of these videos for the next not 20 days. Next 3 days, I guess, yeah. And probably a bonus video on the 25th or 26th. Not sure on that yet. That'll be the building something out of all this extra stuff left over, if we can build something. So it's still not 100% certain if that's something that's going to happen. Depends on what we get. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and have a safe and merry holiday, Christmas, Kwanzaa, Festivus, Hanukkah.